Stop staying poor. 5 middle-class habits to drop today. What's up, everybody? It's time to level up your money game. Today we're diving deep into 5 middle-class habits that are secretly holding you back from building real wealth. I'm talking about the stuff nobody really tells you. The stuff that keeps you stuck in the rat race. We're not just going to point out the problems, we're going to break them down and give you actionable steps to start changing your financial future today. You ready to get after it? Let's go! Number 1, your friends are broke and they're holding you back. Listen, I'm all about loyalty, but your inner circle can make or break your financial future. You become who you spend the most time with, right? If you're surrounded by people who think talking about money is taboo or who are content with mediocrity, guess what? That's gonna rub off on you. It's time to start surrounding yourself with people who are hungry, who are driven, who are already killing it in the money game. These are the people who will push you to think bigger, to hustle harder, and to level up your financial IQ. Find your tribe, whether it's online communities, mastermind groups, or just a few like-minded friends. Trust me, the right environment will change your entire perspective on what's possible. Number 2, living above your means is killing your future. Let's be real, that new car smell fades, and the latest iPhone is cool for about 5 minutes. But you know what never goes out of style? Financial freedom. Stop trying to impress people with stuff you can't afford. Look, debt is the devil, especially when it comes to depreciating assets. That means stuff that loses value as soon as you buy it, like cars, clothes, gadgets. You get the picture. Focus on building a solid financial foundation. Get your debt under control, start investing early and often, and watch your wealth compound over time. Patience, my friends, patience. Number 3, work smarter, not harder. Unlock the power of leverage. The old school mentality of trading time for money is so played out. You want real wealth? You gotta leverage your time, your skills, your money, everything. Real estate is a great example. You can leverage debt to buy an asset that generates cash flow and appreciates over time. Hello, passive income. Building a business? Don't be afraid to hire people smarter than you and build systems that allow your business to scale without you being the bottleneck. And of course, invest in the stock market. Let your money work for you while you sleep. That's the beauty of compound returns. Number 4, know your worth and then add a 0. Listen up, you are a freaking rock star. Stop undervaluing your skills and your time. You deserve to get paid what you're worth and then some. Here's a pro tip. Keep a brag folder. Every time you crush a project, get a glowing testimonial, or achieve a major win, document it. This is your ammunition when it's time to negotiate your salary or ask for that raise. Don't be afraid to walk away from a job that doesn't value you. Your time and your energy are precious. Go out there and find a company that's willing to pay you what you're worth. Number 5, stop giving your hard-earned money away. Tax hacks 101. Listen, taxes are a part of life, but that doesn't mean you have to overpay. The wealthy understand this. They have teams of accountants and lawyers finding every legal loophole to minimize their tax burden. You don't need a fancy degree to start understanding the basics. Learn about different types of income earned, passive, portfolio, and how they're taxed. There are tons of deductions and credits available to business owners and investors that most W-2 employees don't even know about. Get educated and start saving yourself some serious cash. Level up your life. You got this. Look, breaking free from the middle-class mindset isn't easy, but it's 100% possible. It starts with acknowledging the habits that are holding you back and making a conscious decision to change. Remember, financial success is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making small, consistent changes over time that compound into massive results. So start today, even if it's just one small step. And hey, if you found this video valuable, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more fire content like this, and let me know in the comments which habit resonated with you the most. Let's crush it.